guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nupur and today's video is going to be a very special one as I am for the very first time going to transform myself into an Insta baddie. And if you haven't yet followed me on my Instagram, please go follow me, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. So for the outfit, I'm wearing this really pretty pink jumpsuit. So generally Insta baddies wear mostly black colored dresses, but I found this one similar to that. I'll insert a few pictures here and there that I found from Pinterest. So this is the outfit which we are wearing. So for the makeup, they wear like really glowy makeup which makes your skin look glowy. So first of all, I'm going to use the Lakme's 95 compact powder. This one because I don't use any foundation. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Brows. So I'm not going to do much to my brows. I'm going to use this little brush that I found in a kajal. So I'm just going to comb my brows with it. Yeah, that's cool. I'm going to go with my lashes. So for my lashes, I'm first of all going to curl them using this eyelash curler. So we are done with the eyelashes. So going to be using this Hyper Pull mascara from Maybelline. It's such a nice mascara. It does great job for my eyelashes. So just going to apply it. So on my eyes, I have two more products, which is kajal and eyeliner, but I'm not comfortable with eyeliner using this, so I'm gonna go to my dressing table, do my eyeliner and come back. As you guys can see that I have put on some eyeliner and kajal, and I know that my eyeliner is not perfect because I don't know, my wing never gets perfect. So next we are going to do is to put on some highlighter. I'm using Swiss Beauty's Brick highlighter, and I'm going to use either the second or the third shade, which gives more highlight because they were like really good highlights. So yes, I'm going to swoop in some highlighter and then that it looks fine. Next we are going to use a subtle colored lipstick. So I'm going to use this one that I used in my first video. It's the Color Essence Passionate Pink. It's such a nice and rosy shade that I really love. So I'm going to use that on my lips, and I'm also going to use it as a blush because I just really like my blush to match my lipstick. Lipstick is going to get out of my lips. I'm going to clean that. Like, I'm very clumsy in terms of lipstick and eyeliner. And yes, we are good to go. So now I'm going to use the same lipstick in dotting motion on my cheeks below. To use my fingers to just blend it well. I keep inserting pictures here and there when I feel like, so you guys can get a reference of how I look like and how the baddies look like. Okay, so my makeup is complete. I know that it's not that much good. So one thing which I forgot to mention was that the baddies wear a shiny lipstick and mine is a matte one. So I have like a little hack which can turn my matte into glossy. I have some petroleum jelly with me. Okay, so as you all know that the Insta baddies have very glowing face. So I'm going to put this makeup fixer on my face to make it look glowy. I'm just going to shake it. I hope my skin is looking glowy now. My makeup is also all set. So in terms of hair, mostly I have seen the Insta baddies have their hair middle parted. Now I look a little weird in this partition and that's why I never do it. So and mostly they would have like natural brushed hair. So I'm also going to do the same. I'm going to have I hope it looks like good. So guys, we are done with the hair, makeup and outfit. Now we are going to look at the jewelry. So they were like very dainty type of jewelry. So I have this really pretty silver chain. So I'm going to keep that as it is. Now as for the earrings, I have these really pretty anchor earrings which are also silver and super dainty. So I'm going to put them on. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I think it looks super pretty. Okay, so next I have a few of these rings that I got from AliExpress a long time ago. So I'm going to wear them according to which one looks better. So I've like put on this much rings. Now I don't have any manicures because I was not feeling like doing them. So this is our jewelry. It looks like really. Okay, so they also wear tattoos on their fingers and I've also drawn a few tattoos. Like I have this one, then I have like this triangle one. This is actually ivy, which means 4, and I have also this like love tattoo. So yes. Okay guys, so this was our transformation. This is how I finally look like. I really like this new look of an Insta baddie, and yes, like I really love the new style. So if you like my video, please make sure to like it and also make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's definitely free. You can also press the bell icon next to it so that you will receive all the notifications of my videos. All my socials are linked down below in the description box. You guys can check that out as well. Thanks for watching my video. Bye guys.